In this experiment, three LEDs are controlled, which are connected to Node MCU from the ThingSpeak. ThingSpeak is an open source cloud platform. So from cloud, we can control the LED. So in this figure, you can see the LED1 anode is connected to D1 pin of Node MCU, and LED2 anode is connected to D2 pin of Node MCU, and LED3 anode is connected to D3 pin of Node MCU. LED1 to D1, LED2 to D2, and LED3 to D3 pin of Node MCU. And cathode of all the three LEDs are connected together, and it is given to the ground terminal of the Node MCU. This is about the connection diagram. And on the right side, this is the image of serial monitor. You can see here D1 is off, D2 is off, and D3 is also off initially. So in the next diagram, you can see from the cloud, I have turned on D2. So D2 is on, and D1 and D3 are off. And in the next figure, you can see D1 is on, and D2 is off, and D3 is on. So any LED can be controlled from the ThingSpeak. So in the previous videos, you have seen that how to write the data into the ThingSpeak. But in this experiment, you are going to learn how to read the data from ThingSpeak and how to control the devices which are connected to Node MCU using ThingSpeak. So this is the detailed program. The code part, I have done separate video because I have explained each and every line in that code. So since it becomes a lengthy video, I'll skip the explanation of the program here. And what are the modifications you should do in my code is, you should write your own SSID. Here I have written my SSID, that is Wi-Fi name. You should replace with your Wi-Fi name, and password, you write your own password. And this is my channel ID. So you replace with your ThingSpeak account channel ID. How to create channel, I'll show you now. Then this is the read API key. This is my read API key. So you have to replace your read API key. And I have created three channels, channel fields to control three LEDs. So the name I have given as LED1, LED2, LED3. You can give any other variable. So these things you can modify. Remaining everything is same. The same code you can run it. Okay. So the program explanation I have done in another video. Now I'll show you how to create the ThingSpeak account. So here in search, you write ThingSpeak. Okay, click on. So I have already done registration for a ThingSpeak. How to register for ThingSpeak? That video I have done. I have shared that video in a description box. So after registration, click on sign in. So you have to give your user ID and a password. After that, the ThingSpeak the dashboard will be opened like this. So here, after the ThingSpeak platform is open, cloud platform is open, go to channel and create. Click on new channel. So here you give the name of your program. So I'll give the name of the program as controlling of LED. Controlling of three LEDs using ThingSpeak. So this is the name of the experiment I have given. Description, you will give anything. So I want to create three fields for LED1, LED2, LED3. So in field 1, I'll write LED1, and in field 2, click on here, and you will be able to write into the field 2. So I'll give LED2. Again, tick on here, write LED3. 3 fields you create, and directly go down and click on Save Channel. So after that, you click on Public View. So you make your channel to channel as a public. So I'll make it as click on Sharing. So here you can make keep your channel view as private, or share channel view with everyone. Share channel view with only the following users. If you want the only the following users, you should give here email ID of those users. Otherwise, if you want to share with everyone, click on this. Then click on API keys. Here you are going to read data from ThingSpeak. So you should copy this and paste it in a program. Where to paste, I'll show you. And this key is very, very important. And another key, another thing is channel ID. So these two, you should paste it in a program. Channel ID and API key. Read API key. If you are reading from reading a data from ThingSpeak, you should copy this API key, read API key. If you are writing data into the ThingSpeak, you should copy write API key. Now in this experiment, we are reading data from ThingSpeak. So I should copy read API key and paste it in a program. I'll show you where to paste in our program. So this much we should do in this channel. So now let us go to the Arduino IDE software, where to paste our channel ID and API key. I'll show you now. So before going this, you should save this. I have already saved. Okay, now so here, before executing this program, you should include ThingSpeak header file. So go to Sketch, include library, manage library. In that, you type ThingSpeak. Okay, so ThingSpeak by MathWorks. So I have already installed. So before execution of this program, you should install this. So this one you should do. And ESP8266 Wi-Fi header file also you should include. After including SSID and password, writing everything. Here is your channel ID. So just now I told you how to copy the channel ID. You copy it and paste it here. And what I'll copy now. I'll go to channel, ThingSpeak channel, and copy the channel ID. Now I'll copy this channel ID, Control C, and I'll paste it in my program. So in this channel ID, I'll paste my channel ID. So now again, I'll go to ThingSpeak. I'll copy read API key and I'll paste it here. Now I'll copy this read API key, Control C. I'll go back to Arduino ID and paste there. Now I'll paste here. Okay, so I have pasted and I have uploaded, given SSID and password. Now I'll connect my node MCU and I'll choose the COM port. COM port is COM3 I have selected, and board is node MC. How to select the board? Go to ESP8266 and click on node MC 1.0. So after selecting board and a port, now I'll upload the program. So it takes few seconds to upload your program. Now uploading is done completely. I'll show you the output now. We'll go to the, we'll click on serial monitor. Press the reset button of Node MCU. So it is showing you connecting to my Wi-Fi network. It is taking time to connect. Yes, it is connected, Wi-Fi connected, and whose IP address and net mask, subnet mask, and gateway address, everything is it is giving. Okay. Now I'll go to the ThingSpeak and I'll copy the URL and how to paste and how to control LED. I'll show you now. Click on API keys and here you will get some URL API request. So copy this HTTPS. This you copy, Control C, and go here. So paste here. And here the field 1 is 0. You can give and field 1 is equal to 1 you give. So and press enter. When you press enter, there the LED 1 must turned on. Okay, I'll show you that. So I turned on. Now I'll go back to Arduino IDE. Yeah, now I got in serial monitor D1 is on. Okay, so D1 is on now. So in this way, you can turn on any LED by changing the field. Field 1 equal to 1 if you give, LED 1 becomes on. Field 2 equal to 1 if you give, LED 2 will become on. Field 3 is equal to 1 if you write there. So field LED 3 will be turned on. In this way, you can control LEDs using ThingSpeak. Here we have turned off LED 1 and LED 2 and LED 3 are turned on. The same thing we will check it in serial monitor. In serial monitor, D1 is off, D2 is on and D3 is also on. In this experiment, I am using 3 LEDs and this one is first LED, LED 2 and LED 3. LED 1 anode is connected to D1 pin of node MCU. LED 2 anode is connected to D2 pin of node MCU and LED 3 anode is connected to D3 pin of node MCU. The cathode of the first LED is connected to the cathode of the second LED. The cathode of the second LED is connected to the cathode of the third LED and the cathode of the third LED is connected to a ground pin of node MCU. Now all LEDs are in off condition and I'll show you the same thing in a serial monitor. In serial monitor also you can check here. D1 is off, D2 is off and D3 is also off. Now I have sent to the field 1 0. Now I'll send 1 to the field 1 and press enter. You can check the LED here. Now I'll make field 2 is equal to paste. I'll make field 2 is equal to 1. Field 2, type 2. Field 2 is equal to 1 and send here and you can check the second LED will become on. Okay. Now we'll send field 3 is equal to 1. Field 3 is equal to 1 3. So you can check the output now. The third LED is also on, and one LED I'll turn off. Field 1 is equal to 0. Field 1 is equal to 0. Paste. Field 1 is equal to 0. Press enter. So the first LED will become off now. Okay, in this way you can control the LED using ThingSpeak.